Good morning, class 3. How are you all, students? Are you fine? Okay, very good, students. Huh? You kids are very smart. Now, open the book as this is our English class. Which class is it? English literature class. So, all of you open the book which I am showing in the picture. That is your book's name is Glitter. What is the book's name? Glitter. All of you open the book. Opened, beta? Okay. Now come to page number 21. That is 2121. All of you 2121. As we have already started the reading of this chapter number 2, Rip Van Winkle. We have already started in our earlier class. So today we will do again the reading part because first we have to complete the reading of this chapter. Then only we will move forward to the explanation part. पहले हम इसका रीडिंग सेक्शन पूरा करेंगे, उसके बाद हम इसको समझने के उस चैप्टर को कैसे समझेंगे उस चैप्टर के आगे आएंगे. ओके बेटा. सो बेटा मैं जो रीड कर रही हूँ आपको भी अपने घर पर मेरे साथ साथ रीड करना है बेटा. सो दैट अगर आपको कोई वर्ड समझने में प्रॉब्लम आ रही है तो आप एक जगह नोटेड डाउन करो उस वर्ड को और फिर आप मुझसे पूछो कि मैम ये वर्ड कौन सा है, इस वर्ड को कैसे पढ़ते हैं, व्हाट इज द मीनिंग ऑफ दैट वर्ड. आई विल एक्सप्लेन यू ईच एंड एवरी वर्ड. ओके बेटा. So, as we have done the reading till this paragraph, we have completed this page and up to this. Now we have to come to this. So, what we have to do? We have to do our, today we will read this page. Okay, beta. Now, what is this? Answer orally. What do you think was in the barrel? Answer orally. What do you think was in the barrel? Rip Van Winkle had climbed so far. Rip Van Winkle had climbed so far up in the mountain to avoid work. Rip Van Winkle had climbed so far up in the mountain to avoid work. Here was a man asking for help. Here was a man asking for help. He first decided to refuse, but then thought, let me help the poor man. He first decided to refuse, but then thought, let me help the poor man. Then I can rest. So he and the funny looking man walked down to the cave in the mountain. So he and the funny looking man walked down to a cave in the mountain. Below the stream, there Rip Van Winkle saw many other funny looking men. There Rip Van Winkle saw many other funny looking men. All of them were playing. What is this word? Playing. They ignored him. Ignored. What is this word? Ignored. Repeat it once. Ignored means ignored him. As soon as the barrel was placed on the ground, the men pulled out mugs. As soon as the barrel was placed On the ground, the men pulled out mugs. The men pulled out mugs, dipped them into the barrel, dipped them into the barrel and drank something. And drank something. The men pulled out mugs, dipped. Speak one more time this word, dipped. What is this? D-I-P-P-E-D. Dipped them into the barrel. B-A-R-R-E-L. Barrel. And drank something. Drank something. It was a strange sweet drink. It was a strange sweet drink. Rip Van Winkle, two dipped a mug in the barrel. Rip Van Winkle too dipped a mug in the barrel and drank it. Rip Van Winkle too dipped a mug in the barrel and drank it. It tasted good. It tasted good. What is the spelling of tasted? T-A-S-T-E-D. Tasted good. He had one more mug. He had one more mug. After having 3 mugs, he fell asleep. After having 3 mugs, he fell asleep. After having 3 mugs, he fell asleep. What is the spelling of asleep? A-S-L-E-E-P. Asleep. When he awoke, A-W-O-K-E, awoke, he saw that all the funny looking man had gone. When he awoke, he saw that all the funny looking men had gone. ये जब जो MEN होता है ना बेटा, इसका मतलब बहुत सारे लोग. जब मैन होगा MAN, उसका मतलब एक आदमी, और जब MEN होगा तो इसका मतलब बहुत सारे. ये प्लूरल के लिए यूज होता है बेटा, एक से ज्यादा के लिए. 1 से ज्यादा होंगे तो men यूज होगा. When he awoke, he saw that all the funny looking men had gone. He called out to his dog. But there was no response. He called out to his dog, but there was no R-E-S-P-O-N-S-E, response. What is this? Response. He could not believe. He could, बेटा इसको कुड पढ़ते हैं, COULD को कुड पढ़ते हैं. क्यों? क्योंकि L होता है साइलेंट, इसलिए हम इसे कुड पढ़ते हैं. NOT, not. That is believe. BELIVE. Believe. He had slept the whole day and night. He could not believe he had slept. SLEPT. Slept the whole. HOLE. Whole day and night. He could not believe that he slept the whole day and night. He got up. His joints ached. What do we call it? Ached. ACHED. ached, ached. He got up, his joints ached. Answer orally. Answer orally. Why do you think? Why do you think his joints ached? Why do you think his joints ached? As he started walking back home, he saw the village down below. He saw the village down below, which somehow seemed changed. Which somehow seemed, 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 changed. When he entered the village, he saw new faces. When he entered the village, entered, entered the village, he saw new faces, faces, faces. All the people looked at him. All the people looked at him and rubbed their chins. R-U-B-B-E-D, rubbed. C-H-I-N-S, chins. Seeing them to do this, Rip Van Winkle did the same. Seeing them do this, Rip Van Winkle did the same. To his surprise, he found that he had grown. To his surprise, S-U-R-P-R-I-S-E, surprise. One more time, surprise. He found that he had grown. A foot long beard. B-E-A-R-D, beard. Overnight, O-V-E-R-N-I-G-H-T, overnight. He found that he had grown a foot long beard overnight. So today we have completed this page reading. So what you have to do, you have to read this page and this page, 16, 20 page and 21 page. You have to read and make a short video of reading of this from this paragraph only. Though we have read, आज जो हमने रीड करा है इसी में से किसी की एक वीडियो बना के आपको मुझे भेजनी है 2 बजे से पहले, ताकि आपकी प्रेजेंट लग सके. Okay beta, so this much for today and try to read all the words correctly. Okay beta, so bye bye beta.